Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to review three companies. Three companies. One is Capgemini, Cognizant and TCS. TCS I don't have work experience, but my friends have shared a couple of thoughts and also they have shared some of the reviews regarding the company and their work experience. So I will be sharing all those details in this YouTube video. So don't skip anything and watch completely. So without wasting much time, let's go to the review. So if you have gone through my previous video, I used to review on three things: job security, compensation and work-life balance. So we have three companies in our table. One is TCS, Cognizant and Capgemini. So which one is better? So first we'll start with TCS. TCS job security is better than any other company. But regarding compensation, they actually my friends shared few experience. With their experience, the compensation are not so good with TCS. But even I don't know, after pandemic time, maybe they have giving a proper. They are giving a high salary or high compensation, which I'm not sure, but basically TCS is not much good in giving high salary. Then work-life balance. TCS has a good work-life balance. They have a couple of activities, and they are one of the they are top service-based company in India, right? So their work-life balance is good, and even they have a couple of activities which will entertain the employers. So I think regarding only compensation is a major part. So if you are getting a good compensation from TCS, definitely you can choose TCS without any concern. Next is Cognizant. So Cognizant is also a service-based company, similar like TCS. So work-life balance is depending on project. So it depends on project. So if you got good project, you will have better work-life balance. And basically I think work-life balance is good in Cognizant. And second one is job security. So job security is a major concern in Cognizant. So but I don't know, recently their CEO has been told like there won't be any layoff until unless there is a major problem from an employee, like if they have harassment, those kind of issues. Otherwise they won't do any layoff. So I think now they are coming and they're better view. So maybe next thing is compensation. So compensation now, Cognizant previously it was not much, but now they are providing a good compensation for lateral entry. For new joinees, even in TCS and Cognizant, they have defined salary. So that is that in all companies they have a package, right, for new joinees. So it will be dependent. For new joinees, there is no issue with job security. All new joinees will be safe in service-based company. So Cognizant, everything is okay. So with TCS and Cognizant, if you get better compensation, I'm not sure. Always think about your project technology and compensation. If you are getting both good, then you can choose that company. TCS and Cognizant have not much difference. Comparison, drawback of TCS is compensation. Drawback of Cognizant is job security. So both they are now they are rectifying those problems. So I think both are good. Now come to Capgemini. Comparing these two, their job security is moderate, and work-life balance is depending on project, as I told earlier. But still I feel work-life balance is good in Capgemini. Then regarding compensation, Capgemini won't give it's moderate compared to TCS and Cognizant, but now because after pandemic, every company is giving a good compensation. It is now it has a high demand, right? So compensation are better now in all companies. But regarding job security, as I already told, everyone is trying to rectify now. At least for this pandemic time, there won't be much job security problem, but still in service based company, but it depends on your project and technology. So if you are in good high demand technology, then you are bit safe, and salary wise also you will get good hike if you are in a good project with a good technology. So always think about project compensation and if it is a technology. So these three things you need to consider. And new joinees, always try to enhance your skill and try to get better project. Check with your colleagues when before joining the project, and check with them if it is suitable for you, and if you are interested in that particular area, then you can opt it. So I think this is a better, maybe you will get a better idea on these three companies. So almost three are same. So compared to job security, TCS is bit higher. Other than everything is same. So if you are getting good compensation wise, I think Cognizant may be better, but I don't know now. Now things may have changed. But previously they also give less salary as per my colleagues' review. My friends' review. Now Capgemini is a moderate, so they are also now a big player. Like they are both three are in top 10 service-based company. So choose wisely, and all the best, and subscribe my channel.